Go.
Good morning po. Another eye injection po tayo. Ngayon, both eyes, right and left, dito po sa Shiley Eye Institute. Hinihintay po namin yung doktor. Tapos na yung mga exam sa mata, yung pag-take nila ng picture. Ngayon, yung injections nila. Thank you po.
Chemical. So you can use that one if they.
Which would you recommend?
I go for whatever's cheapest because they're going to be the same thing unless they're bothering your eye. Then you want the preservative free.
Okay.
Okay. Start with that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so ayan po, lamig-lamig po dito. Ito po yung picture ng mga eyes ko. So, the top one is last month. Tingnan dami pong water. Pero yung babang picture is this today. So, nabawasan na po yung fluid. Ito po yung right eye, I believe. And then, this is the left eye. Ayan po. So, may improvement na po siya. Pero sabi nito, we will still do it every 4 weeks. Hanggang mag-stabilize talaga siya. Thank you, Lord. May improvement na.
Are you recording us?
It's okay or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Because you have vlog.
I started vlogging.
What?
I started vlogging on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Look down for me, please. All the way down. Close. All the way down. Close. But I don't know in the injection room. Just ask him, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You can come with me, please. We're gonna go to the injection room.
Oh, so hello po, lumipat kami ng room. So, naming medicine muna po. It's so cold here.
I know. That's why.
I didn't expect it to be this cold. Ooh. Freezing.
All right. Let me just give you 2 more drops.
Okay.
I mean, 1 more.
Kasakit yung gulid ko. Deep.
I'm gonna go ahead and tilt your chair over, okay?
Okay. Nag-pick up ng Tylenol. So, kasakit siya dito.
And then I'll give you a tissue.
Okay.
Oh my god, you're so cool, huh?
Yeah.
Look down for me, please.
I look down.
All the way down. Look up, down, close.
That's
Look down. Up, close. You're okay?
thank you.
You're welcome.
Medyo mahapdi lang po. Konti lang. It's so cold. I'm really pleased.
You got some photos today.
Yeah.
And how's the vision?
After the injection, it improved, but lately, like 2-3 days now, it's kind of blurry
Getting
again.
blurry again.
But did it
Yeah.
improve?
Woo, a lot.
Improve a lot? Yes.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here's all the diabetic, edema from, diabetic macular edema. Diabetic macular edema usually improves a little slower than this. This is a pretty big jump for first injection. It's great. Beautiful.
Is the top one the first picture?
Yeah, exactly.
So the thing closed? Wow.
Yeah, so can't even really see the retinal layers here. Now it's getting a lot better. So just that, a little bit of fluid, little white dots. are
Also the black
exudates.
things of fluid.
Exactly. So you had a lot of fluid last time.
Thank you.
Today it looks a lot better. So the way we usually do these is we keep doing the injections every 4 weeks until
Okay.
things stabilize,
Mhm.
and then we try to extend them as much as possible.
Okay.
And the left side looks great as well. So we'll do both eyes again today. Wow, the vision in the left eye is now 20/25. It was 20/50 last time.
Thank you.
We'll get the injections ready.
Yeah, thanks.
Questions, concerns? Did you want to see you want an image of the other one? Here, I'll put both eyes up.
Oh, can we take a picture?
Yeah, sure. Hang out to learn.
That stings.
This one burns a little bit. I'm sorry. This is the numbing medication.
You're all young, huh?
Alright, this is just a tissue I'm gonna take down.
I'm gonna give you some. I'm gonna keep adding numbing drops.
Yeah, it's okay.
Probably not a great idea to video this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, it's okay or no? No?
Yeah, probably
Okay,
do that.
Thank you. Hello po, nasa sasakyan na po kami. So, naglagay po ako ng anong tawag dyan. Kasi masyadong maliwanag. Masakit, tsaka hindi pa ako ganong nakakakita. So, I can really even see our faces dito sa phone. Okay. Papunta po kami ng Mira Mesa. Kakain po kami sa Red Ribbon and then mamimili ng konti. Medyo naalis po yung sakit ng likod ko dun sa Tylenol. Ngayon medyo mahapdi naman yung mga mata ko and I can't really see. Medyo blurred pa po yung tingin ko. So, malabo. So, I can't even read messages. So, mamaya po, i-update ko. Oops! Meron po kasing ginagawa po kasi yung daan dito. Ayan po, papunta na kami ng Mira Mesa. Ngayon po galing kami sa, ano lagi La Jolla? La Jolla, papunta na po ng Mira Mesa, San Diego. Medyo mahirap po yung parking dito.
At the next light, turn right.
So nalagyan po kasi kami ng parking citation. Akala namin free parking kasi the last 2 times we were here, okay naman po. So dapat pala pagdating natin, punta muna doon, no, magbayad and then diretso doon sa parking structure. Then i-display mo yung ticket para hindi ka malagyan ng citation. So I'll just call
At
them
the light,
and
turn
I'll
right.
see if they can waive since it's a first offense. Kung hindi po nila ma-waive, magbabayad na lang po ako online. Okay, gusto ko na talagang, kasi yung pansit palabok po madaling kainin. Sabi ko nga po, mahirap pang kumain dito sa mga bagong pustiso po, ang sakit. So, palabok lang ako pwede.
At the next light,
And
turn
then,
left.
mamimili kami ng gusto magluto ng murkon ni Randy. Gagayahin daw niya yung luto ng girlfriend niya, si Achel. So, we're going to buy some ingredients for the murkon. And si Ate Emmy naman nagpapabili ng ano kasi bibili ni Ate Ems. For the
Red pepper.
sopas. Red bell pepper para sa
Celery.
sopas. And celery. Tapos ako naman, bibili ng spare ribs. Kasi yung spare ribs, pwede lang siyang adobo, pwedeng sinigang, at saka pork belly, and maybe some chicken wings. Naluto na po kasi namin yung nabili kong chicken wings the last time. O sige po, balikan ko po kayo mamayang nasa Red Ribbon na kami. Gutom na po ako. Anong oras na? Hindi ko makita yung time.
111.
Oh, it's already 1. Yung appointment namin was 11. Tagal din namin doon. So, we were there for more than 2 hours kasi nakarating kami mga quarter to 11. Oh, sige po. Thank you. Another injections done. Na po kami, magkatabi po yung Seafood City. Chowking, at saka yung Red Ribbon. Sa Red Ribbon po kami, pansit palako.
Chowking.
Yan po. Yan po si Mark siya. Di ba? Ay, naku Lord. Ang labo ng paningin ko. Ay po. Order po ako ng large palabok. Eh. Gusto mo ng halo-halo? Share tayo. Ay, wow nga pala. Ito po yung orderin namin. Ito. Palabok family size. Yan, order po kami ng family palabok size. Courier po.
699 sir. For here to sir.
Courier po.
One palabok family then one halo-halo. Plates sir, kailangan nyo. Plates. Ilang plates?
Dalawa. Dalawa lang po.
Dalawa kami. Mag-share na lang kami.
23.40.
Magkano po?
23.40.
Okay. Ano po? Dito na kami. Leng, gusto ko dito kasi maliit. Ay, nandito na naman sa Red Ribbon. Ay, ito na po yung order namin, yung family size palabok, $14.99. At saka po itong halo-halong maliit. Magkano kasi siya? 8 some. $8 na? 7 or 8?
$6.99.
Oh, $6.99 pala. Ayan, kaya ang total plus tax, 23. Kain po tayo, launa na. Yummy, yummy palabo. Lagay mo lahat yung tulo.
Sila, sa ikadungs.
Hmm? Konti lang naman yung kada isa. Pag ako nakauwi ng Pilipinas, punta agad ako sa Susis. Yun. At saka sa Cool Spot. Angeles po kasi kami. So, I don't think I'll be traveling to Manila. So, yun na lang kami sa Manila. Kung makakauwi man kami. Thank you. Ayan po si Marcia. Ako, favorite ko palabok. Siya naman, halo-halo. So, partner kami. The best of both worlds ka nga nila. Sarap. Ay, hindi mo magkaano manis.
Maliit yung
Maliit yung lagayan. Ay, ito po yung share ko. Ayun po yung share niya.
Palang kitang hamburger. Saan na? Kasira na yun.
Yung sa McDo, bumili po kami ng sausage McMuffin kaninang breakfast. Hindi naman po namin
Walang
nakain.
kasabuli. Masuya.
Okay.
Kukunin ko yung
kukunin niyo yung hindi siya hamburger, sausage McMuffin po siya. Palabok.
palabok. Halo-halo.
Gusto ko pa pong konti. And then, kuha tayo ng isang soup. Ayaw.
Yun po. Okay na.
Ayan, tapos na po kami. Hindi naubos ni Marion sa kanya. Hindi ko rin naubos yung akin. Yung itlog na puti, hindi ko kinakain paligtad. Dapat yan ang kakain. Patigas kasi. Tapos yung halo-halo namin, hindi man nakalahati. Malamig. Si Marion naman gusto niya pag tunaw na. Ayan si Mar.
Hello, thank you sa food.
Ito po, Seafood City. Tingin tayo. Tingnan lang po natin kung anong niluto nila. Oh, maraming bumibili. Oh, marami silang ano ngayon. Oh. Tingin ako sa mga ulam. Puro sila sa barbecue. Hindi ako makalapit. Gusto po. Meron silang chicken skin, buchi. What is this? Chicken skin dito. Turong. Fried tinapang bangus daw yun. Ito naman is parang mga fishball. Ito is shrimp, saging, meron din silang hotdog, yung crispy pata, tabila. Meron din po silang isang munggo doon. Hindi ko alam kung ano.
Dalawang hotdog po ate. Saka po, ano po yung pork chop po? Sige po, chop na lang din.
Yan na trouble. Manggat ina po yan.
Parang gusto ko rin yung pork chop ata. Ay, maliit yung pork chop nila ngayon. Ito po yung kanilang pukuan. Magkano ba to? It is 99 cents. 3,499 cents. 3 pounds siguro. And then, meron po silang okra. 299. 299 per pound. Cherries, 399 per pound. Then meron silang rambutan, 199, pamura per pound. And meron silang papaya, right, 0.99 per pound. Bili po ako ng chicken wings, 199 per pound. Kukuha number. Baka kuha ka ng number. Kukuha ko ba o wala? Ang gusto ni Randy, ground pork. Ground pork. Lean 499. Kamahal naman. Ito na lang, 299 na ground pork. Bibili. Tsaka bibili ako ng liempo. 459 per pound. Pork belly. Ang baho ko ng baboy doon, may amoy. Ito na lang ako kukuha. O yung mga kanila, mga pork at saka hotdog. Ito po yung mga isda. Ayan po, golden pampano, $5.99.